Hello everybody, my name is Elliot and welcome back to Advective Weather. Today we're going to be taking a look at the extremely dangerous Cyclone Mocha. Mocha is now in the upper echelon of intensity for tropical cyclones in the Indian Ocean. It is now a Category 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Landfall is set to occur at around 6 today, which is May 14th, and this will be early afternoon in Myanmar's local time. Extremely dangerous coastal surge impacts are almost certain to occur, with surge being as high as 15 to 20 feet in some locations to the southeast of the landfall. And this is very crucial because second-story buildings, you're not going to be safe. So make sure to find a location that is going to be safe for 15 to 20 feet of water. Extreme wind gusts of upwards of 165 knots are also possible along the shoreline. Those along the northwestern coast of Myanmar and southern coast of Bangladesh should shelter in place as best they can, as conditions along the shore are deteriorating at this point in time and evacuation is no longer safe. The best shelters are sturdy concrete buildings on high ground. As of 0 o'clock UTC today, which is May 14th, Cyclone Mocha was located at 18.7 degrees north, 91.8 degrees east. Maximum 1-minute sustained winds are 140 knots per the Joint Typhoon Warning Center estimate. Maximum 3-minute sustained winds are 115 knots per the Indian Meteorological Department estimate. The JTWC also estimated a minimum central pressure of 919 millibars. Mocha has fully tapped into the jet over the past 24 hours, and this jet interaction has aided its continued rapid intensification during that time. The thermodynamic environment will be favorable for Mocha until landfall, and temperatures of 29 to 30 degrees Celsius will be present all the way through the coastline. A possible increase in shear could induce some weakening for Mocha before landfall. However, Mocha still will be very dangerous and very intense when it does move inland, probably a high-end Category 4. The IMD forecast indicates that Mocha is currently peaking intensity as a 115-knot extremely severe cyclonic storm, and the official forecast does weaken it due to the shear that I mentioned earlier, and they have landfall occurring as a 100-knot extremely severe cyclonic storm, which is still highly dangerous. Taking a look at the models, as you can see, there's pretty much no question that it will make landfall. The GFS does have a fairly good intensity estimate. The Euro initialized far too weak, so the intensity is going to be way too low for that. However, the GFS does show it making landfall as a Category 4 system over the Bangladesh-Myanmar border. And landfall, as I mentioned earlier, is set to occur at about 6 today, and this is pretty important because it is going to be the middle of the day. If it was the middle of the night, it would be far more dangerous. And taking a look at the rainfall, that's also going to be a problem. As you can see, there's going to be a widespread swath of heavy rainfall associated with Mocha. As you can see, totals are going to be in excess of 150 millimeters in quite a few places, and this is going to be a pretty significant inland flooding concern over the next several days. So what can you do to stay safe? First of all, never shelter in a room where there's no sky access. If the storm surge comes and you get trapped in that room, it's going to be bad. So always make sure that you're in a room which has sky access. Always follow official guidance for making decisions. For Mocha, the Indian Meteorological Department is the regional agency issuing advisories. The Joint Typhoon Warning Center also issues unofficial updates. If unsure what to do for your area, always consult your local officials to know the specific risks in your location. And make sure that you have an evacuation plan. Well, it's too late for that, but make sure you have a plan to find shelter if you are in the path of Mocha. And if possible, find a way to keep valuable belongings safe. Thank you very much for watching. We would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. It helps the video get out there to people who need it. And we will see you next time.